Good morning to all. Welcome back for English 2 class. Today we will do the poem whose title is My Mother, which is in your book, English 2 book, and page number 81. So firstly take off your books, then we will do. Mother, the name of truly love. No, actually love without any cost. Mother cares her baby whole life. So we should always love our mother because she gave us birth and make us able to survive in the society. Now firstly we will read out the difficult words from this poem as well as the word meanings. Afterward we will read the poem thoroughly and explain. The first difficult word from this poem is infant. Infant means a small baby. Affection, minded, kiss, affectionate, fondly, and the last one is taught. Word meaning of this poem first is gay. These word meanings are also present in your book. First is gay. Here gay means a colorful. Tears of sweet affection. It means tears of love and happiness. Keys. Keys means stop. And the last word is thee. Thee means here you. So read this word meanings and difficult word firstly. Afterward it will easy for learn this poem. So in the first stanza, this poem is written by Anna Taylor. In the first stanza she said, "Who sat and watched my infant head when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed my mother." In the first stanza, poet told us that her mother always watched her when she was sleeping in a cradle bed. Cradle bed means a small size bed or in her lap, and always show her love to her baby. It was only a mother who shows her love to her baby. In the second stanza, who dressed my doll in cloth so gay. Gay is a word meaning is colorful. And fondly taught me how to play, and minded all I had to say, my mother. In the second stanza, poet told that her mother dressed her baby doll like a doll with colorful dress and taught her how to play, and also told her that to follow all her instructions which she has given to her child to play, how to survive or how to walk, anything. In the third stanza, who ran to help me when I fell, and would some pretty story tell, or kiss the place to make it well, my mother. In the third stanza, poet said that it is only a mother who kissed that place when her baby fell. She ran to help her and kissed that place where the baby hurt, as well as she told sweet stories to interact her child. In the last stanza, and can I ever kiss to be affectionate and kind to thee. Thee means you and kiss means stop. Who was so very kind to me? It was my mother. In the last stanza, poet told that I cannot stop to love her. Actually, we should not stop to love our mother because she always kind to her. It is only our mother who cares us the whole life. So firstly, in your classwork, you will read all the word meanings and difficult words firstly, as well as this poem too. Afterward, you will do the exercise on the page number 82. First exercise is circle the correct word in the bracket. You will see there are two words in the bracket. First, joy and sorrow. You can find which is the right word. Afterward, you will tick it. First line is, my mother would shed tears of joy or sorrow while watching her baby in sleep. In the poem you learn that mother shed tears of joy. So joy is the right answer. After this you can do all this exercise. The second exercise, B exercise, is related to the question answer. I will repeat the answers firstly, so take off your copies and note it down. First question is, who slept in a cradle bed? Its answer in the first stanza, infant. Infant means a small baby. So the answer is a small baby or an infant is slept in the cradle bed. Second question is, write 3 things that the poet's mother did for her when she was a child. So tell me what 3 things her mother do. She dressed her doll, she taught her how to play, and she asked her to mind all that the instructions. You can find second answer from the second stanza. Question 3, what does the poet mean by the minded all I had to say? Here minded means to say to follow all the instructions. Question 4, what did the child's mother do for her when she fell? What did her mother do? She took her baby in her arms and kissed that play as well as tell sweet stories. You can find answer number 4 from the third stanza. And the last question is, why can the poet never stop being affectionate and kind to her? Because she was very kind to her and always loved. That's why she never stopped being affectionate and kind to her mother. These are the 5 questions. You can note down on your notebook. The exercise number C is belong to the words which started with M and O. First word is a crowd. Crowd means M-O-B, mob. You can write all these exercises related to that words which are starting with M-O. Hints are behind. You can firstly read out the hints. Afterward, you can do this. Exercise number D is again choose the correct option. There are 2 words, quite and quite, but you can find the right one here. After finishing the exercise of book, you will do exercise from workbook also, page number 44. You can see here. First is missing letters and second one is homophones also. And third exercise belongs to the words, same words you can take from the poem and write here. Firstly, a flower name. Second, low-lying watery ground. Thirdly, a female mammal. A place with many shops, that means market. Blank space on a written page, that means margin. A small ball of glass you play with, it's a marble. Like this, you will do all the exercise. And firstly, read this poem thoroughly. Afterwards, you will do it very well. Thanks and have a nice day.